Hello. Today let's talk about OPC UA's information modeling mode in EasyBuilder Pro. With this mode made available on CMTX Advanced Series HMI, cross-platform communication configuration and data exchange between different brands of devices become easier. All you need to do is to import the defined node set files and assign the addresses to the objects created. It also allows you to apply the structure from a symbolic PLC. This feature simplifies nodes creating process, thus reduces the amount of time spent on project design. This tutorial video includes 3 topics. 1. How to add the namespace in information modeling mode. 2. How to apply the structure. 3. Running the program. Let's create a CMTX Advanced HMI project. Click IIoT, Energy, OPC UA Server, on the toolbar to open OPC UA Server dialog box. Enable OPC UA Server, use default settings and click OK. Enable Information Modeling Mode. You could add the objects from the defined object types in the information modeling mode. A pop-up window shows after OPC UA Server has moved to information modeling mode. Click Namespace. You may import the namespaces from the nodeset files. Click Add and choose the nodeset file. In this video, I will show you how to add the objects defined in Euromap 77. Euromap 77 describes the interface between injection molding machines and manufacturing execution systems for data exchange. If there is another information model needs to be added first, you'll get an error message. Before importing Euromap 77, you need to add the DI model from OPC Foundation and Euromap 83 model first. You can download these nodeset files from the OPC Foundation website and Euromap website. Let's add the DI model first. And then add the Euromap 83 model. After all the needed models are added, you can add the Euromap 77 model successfully. Click New Object. The object types will be highlighted when you select the corresponding namespace. Let's add an object with IMMMES interface type. It will use the definition in namespace to create the nodes. The data types are all set as well. If you have a symbolic PLC with some structure data types defined, you can apply the structure to the nodes easily. I have prepared a PLC with some structures defined. Let's add it into the device list. As you can see, the structure, unit type, is defined in PLC. Let's go back to the OPC UA server settings and add a new object with injection unit type. Click Apply Structure, and select the corresponding structure in PLC. If the tag name on PLC is the same as the node name, the PLC tag will be assigned to the node address. Let's make in production node readable and writable and enable HDA. Set the index node to readable and writable and enable its HDA as well. We will use these 2 nodes for testing later. Let's create a toggle switch for the in production tag. And create a numeric object for the index tag. Okay, let's download the project to the HMI. Now, let's use UA Expert, which is an OPC UA client software, to connect to the server on HMI. You'll find the nodes created before. Drag the in production node and index node into the data monitor window. Let's change the value of the PLC tag. The value also changes on the OPC UA server. You may change the value from OPC UA client as well. Historical data access is also supported. This is the demo of information modeling mode of OPC UA server for today. Thank you for watching.